What a beautiful country! Wow! It's so pretty! Wow! Huh? Where is my mask? I'm sure it was here. Hey, where am I? You are in Italy! Ah, Italy! Wow, look over there! Wow, it's so cool! This is a lion! This is a very nice place!
Wow, we're here in Italy! Italy is a country in Europe, and we're in the most famous city in Italy, Venice! Wow, look over there! People are riding on boats in the canal. This boat is called a gondola. Venice is famous for gondolas. Wow. Oh, it would be really fun to ride in a gondola. Huh? What's that smell? It's delicious. It's pizza! All right! Italy is famous for pizza! Look! It looks so delicious! Yum, 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 yum. Delicious pizza! Delicious spaghetti! Yum, da 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 dum, yum, da da. Oh! Sorry, friend. I'm really hungry. Oh, but that reminds me of a story about pizza. Do you want to hear it?
Yes!
Okay, don't worry, I won't sing. A long, long time ago, there was an Italian cook.
Delicious pizza! It's well done! La 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 la! Ah! Shall I eat now? Oh? Ah! Who took my pizza?
From the pizza dish. The dog took the pizza from the pizza dish.
Who? Me?
Yes, you.
Could it be?
Then who? Who took the pizza from the pizza dish? The bird took the pizza from the pizza dish.
Who? Me?
Yes, you.
Couldn't be.
Then who?
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡